Okay, about to change the oil on my 2018 Honda Accord Sport. This is the 1.5T. I do have free oil changes at my dealership, but they've been so behind, I'm not waiting to go up there. I bought me some oil, or I to do it myself. So, with that being said, let's get to it. Under the car now. You have to remove these 3 screws, half-turn bolts, or whatever you want to call them. And you will need a flathead for that. FYI, my left hand is not that good. And nowhere near ambidextrous. Okay. And it falls out, which gives you access to the oil filter. Directly behind there is the engine oil drain bolt. Hope I'm getting that on camera. Okay, we're all set to start draining. I'm going to try to use my Harbor Freight Earthquake XT cordless ratchet. That worked a little bit. Just had to break it manually then. Go ahead and hit the button. Not too bad. Now, me personally, I like to have my oil hot before I drain it, so this oil is hot. Oh, hey. Great. And this is how to perfectly make a mess when changing oil. And that's the thing about my channel. You're not going to see everything all nice and pretty and done 100% correctly. You're going to see some mistakes. You're going to see some real life car stuff. Oh man. I should have put cardboard down. So I guess I'll make how to clean up oil from your garage floor video too. Wasn't my intention, but so we're gonna let that drain after it made a humongous mess. And that's the thing about working on cars, you know, it's the unexpected's gonna happen. Just gotta get prepared for it, and you gotta do what you gotta do. Now, I don't have an oil wrench specifically for this Honda. But the average male can pull these off by hand if they're put on properly. And this one was not. Shouldn't be that tight. Nope. Okay. Nope. The crazy part is I looked at an oil filter wrench when I left O'Reilly, and I said, you know, I should probably get that. Luckily, this one fits. Let that drain. You want to clean up some of this excess oil. You don't want that sitting on there. It's going to accumulate dirt and dust and grime. So you don't want that sitting there. I'm going to take that a step further before I button it up and wipe it with some degreaser. Which I'm probably going to have to use to clean up all this oil I dripped on the floor. But that's okay. I'm going to let that drip a little bit and we'll come back. Okay, while I still have it dripping, I switched to my cell phone camera because I didn't want to move my little camera here. Anyway, oil filter. I went for the mobile one, high efficiency. I do like Mobile One. I would have used the Honda oil filter, but I didn't feel like driving to the dealership, so I opted for something different. Anyway, so before you put your oil filter on, you get a lot of people like to do different things. Me personally, some people like to fill the oil filter up. Me personally, I like to get my finger in the oil, run it across the seal here, make sure that's nice and coated. Just like that right there. Now again, you can put some oil in there, you can fill it with oil, that's up to you. But it's going to fill with oil when you fill up the oil anyway, so your choice. Sorry for the fan. I'm in Houston, Texas, and it's hot. Alright. Let's say we're going to clean that up with some degreaser. Trying to take away any oil that might be on here to prevent it from collecting dust and dirt and turns into grime. Oil filter goes back. Do you have to tighten these up like you're a rock? No, just make them tight. That's good right there. I would normally change this washer to a crush washer, but this washer looks astounding. So we're going to go ahead and keep it. If it leaks, it leaks. I'll change it again. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and roll with it. Okey-dokey. Let's get this out the way. I'm really trying to hurry up so I can clean this oil up. Okay. Put this plate back on here. Drop it down, fill it up. This is by far the messiest oil change I have ever done. Ever. degreaser, clean that plate off, get those oil prints off of there. All I'm gonna do is attract dirt and dust. Wipe that down, try to keep it clean. Okay, now let's drop it down and fill it up. Okay, final steps. I'm gonna give her a crank her up. Also, you want to make sure nothing's leaking from the bottom, which I did that off camera. So I had my maintenance sign on here. What you want to do is go home. You want to see where it says dismiss. So we're going to go ahead and dismiss that. Hit the home button. Go down to maintenance. See where we say B17 there. We want to reset. See, it's telling you to hold the clicker to reset, which you do this. So we're going to press it. Maintenance reset B17. So we're going to reset B only. So it's giving us a B code. So it still it's giving us an A17 code. From my understanding, that's brake fluid flush and refill. Why am I getting that at 18,000 miles? I think you're supposed to change it every 15,000. Not sure, but who knows. Also, if you don't know, these Hondas go by, their maintenance goes by the quality of the fluids that the car is checking via the computer. So if the computer is letting it know, hey, this fluid is not up to specs, it's getting here, blah blah blah, it's going to give you that maintenance code to change it out. So that's that. As you can see now, the oil life is 100%, and we are at 18,032 miles. So when it comes back on, I will do a video possibly for the next oil change, but also to let you know how many miles I went before I got the maintenance code again. Alright, it's a new channel. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me, watch all my videos. We're going to have some fun. We're going to learn some stuff. Have a good one.